Welcome back to Ashok Educational Groups. In this video, we will learn 10th Standard Social Science, the chapter The Political Developments of 20th Century. Main developments are industrialization, colonization, and invention of new technologies, and some more developments are there. Through this lesson, we shall see. Now, question with answer. Question: why was the more competition among the European countries? Answer: the industrialization and the invention of new technologies. Which countries formed a triple alliance? Germany, Italy, and Austria-Hungary. Which countries formed a triple entente? England, France, and Russia. What was an immediate cause for the First World War? Assassination of Archduke the Prince of Austria. Which treaty ended the First World War? The Treaty of Versailles, 1919. Which organization was founded after First World War to prevent future wars? League of Nations. Why did the people of Russia revolt against Tsars? Japan defeated Russia in 1905. Who was the last Russian ruler? Tsar Nicholas II. Why did Russia move out of the First World War? Russia witnessed revolution in 1917. Which reformations were implemented by Gorbachev in Russia? Glasnost, 1985, and Perestroika, 1987. Who built Nazi Party? Adolf Hitler, the dictator of Germany. Why did Hitler appoint Goebbels to spread the theory of Nazism? What is Holocaust? The mass killing done by Hitler. Why did Hitler establish brown shirts? To create violence so that the people became confused and accept Nazi ideology. What was the immediate cause for the Second World War? Attack on Poland in 1939 by Germany. Why did America join Second World War? Japan attacked Pearl Harbor. Who began Long March in China? Mao Zedong. What is Cold War? The mistrust, competition and the fear that emerged between USA and USSR. Who entered non-war pact? Russia and Germany. What was the slogan of Lenin in October Revolution? Peace, food, and land. Answer the following questions in 2 or 4 sentences. What were the causes for the First World War? Formation of secret alliances, extreme nationalism, death of Austrian Prince Archduke, arms race, constant war to establish control over colonies, industrial revolution. Explain the immediate causes for the First World War. Austrian Prince Archduke visited Siberia. Archduke was murdered. Austria declared war on Serbia. Serbia. He visited Serbia. He was assassinated there by a common man. And so Siberia, Austria declared war on Siberia. Why did the people of Russia revolt against Tsars? Russia was ruled by Tsars. Landlords exploited laborers and small farmers. People had no rights. People were fed up with the administration of Tsars. Japan defeated Russia in 1905. Nazi ideology destroyed Germany. Justify. Hitler nurtured ultra-nationalism. The Nazism advocated that Germans are the superior race of the world. Declared Jews, communists, socialists are the non-Aryans. Hitler declared non-Aryans are unfit to live. Appointed Goebbels to spread the theory of Nazism. Created violence and confusion. What are the features of fascist party of Mussolini? Ultranationalism, patronizing violence, racial superiority, expansion of national boundaries, support of human executions. What were the reasons for the Second World War? Treaty of Versailles, failure of a League of Nations, fall of Poland, rise of a dictatorship in Germany and Italy and even in Japan, formation of rival alliances. What were the effects of Chinese Revolution? China became communist country. 70,000 revolutionaries were killed. Long March began in China. Community farming was introduced in China. Free health education was provided to all. Importance was given to science and technology. How did USA came out of its great economic depression? New Deal was introduced. F.D. Roosevelt encouraged women to work in Republic sphere. Agricultural production increased. Monetary compensation was paid to unemployed. Increased the pay for the workers. Explain the role of Lenin in Russian Revolution. Lenin guided the farmers and workers on the path of a revolution. Lenin called for peace, food, and land. Lenin joined the Revolutionary Party in 1917. Russia as a socialist republic union. Lenin became the leader of October Revolution. Lenin became the president of the government. How did Joseph Stalin made Russia a powerful country? Built USS as a formidable opponent to USA, introduced 5-year plan, launched the first satellite, started industries, increased the military strength. What were the effects of a First World War? Millions of people died. Treaty of Versailles signed. New countries emerged in Europe. The physical map of the Europe underwent change. Restrictions imposed on Germany. Unemployment became more. Aided the growth of dictators. How Mao Zedong made China a powerful country. He was Mao Zedong. Mao Zedong made China a powerful country. Community farming was introduced. Chinese were provided with the free health, education, etc. Importance was given to science and technology. Promoted industries. Brought a leap forward program. Who formed Axis and Allies groups? Axis group, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Allies group, England, France, and Russia. What were the consequences of a Second World War? Millions of people died. UNO was founded. Winning countries became permanent members of UNO. USSR and USA became powerful rival countries. Many countries of Asia and Africa got their freedom. USA used a nuclear weapon in Japan in 1945. Nuclear arm race started. What were the achievements of Lenin? Lenin declared that land belonged to the farmers, implemented political and economic policies, ensured free health, schooling, etc., ensured residence to all Russians. First to implement Karl Marx communism. So these are the political developments in 20th century. First World War, Second World War, and later emerging new countries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos.